Hi friend! Share ko lang sa'yo na I'm currently working as financial advisor in ProLife UK. And I know working ka din ngayon with your future goals and dreams. Keep on achieving, friend! Pero alam mo ba na kailangan natin proteksyonan ng ating finances through savings in insurance? Because sa insurance, pinoprovide nito yung mga benefits like disability, accident, critical illness, and premature death na nangyayari naman talaga siya in real life. At ayaw natin magalaw yung ipon natin because of this, tama? Kaya why not ngayon palang paghandaan na natin siya. All you need to do is to give your complete name and birthday for me to provide you a personalized plan for you para makita mo rin yung mga benefits niya and ma-discuss ko siya sa'yo. By the way, friend, para ka lang din nito nagsisave sa bangko. Ang difference lang nito is yung protection benefits. Keep safe and God bless, friend. Thank you!